Good afternoon, everyone. Coming after a long time. So we will start from question number 21 of IMO workbook, and from now onwards, hopefully, there will be no gap. I will try my level best to give a video every day. So in Olympiad, reading the question is very important. Reading and understanding the question, because unless and until you understand the question, even if you solve also, it might not give you the correct answer. So you should read a question like a story, like the way you read in English. Once upon a time there used to live a king and queen together, and then they were very happy. Similarly, in that way, in maths also, you should read the question like a story, understand the question, then half of the problem is already solved. So let us start with question number 21, which is being shown here as, I am reading the question for all of you. The question is, the height of Karan is CLX and the height of Sahil is CLII centimeter. Who is taller among them? So here they have given two Roman numbers. Karan has been assigned the number CLX. Here we know C means 100, L means 50 and X means 10. That means the sequence is like this. First C for 100 and L for 50 and X for 10. And it is following the sequence 100, then 50, then 10, which means 100 is greater than 50, 50 is greater than 10. So we don't have to do here any kind of subtraction. So it gives us 160. So Karan is 160 centimeter of height. Then let's find out Sahil's height. Sahil's height is given as CLII. Here again, C means 100, L means 50 and I means 1 plus 1, I means 1 or II means 2. So it gives us 152, which clearly shows Karan is taller than Sahil. Karan is taller than Sahil because Karan's height is 160 centimeter and Sahil's height is 152 centimeter. That means Karan is the tallest one. Now let's go, that means our A is our answer. Then let's go to number 22 question. Here I will read the question for you. Sumit scored CDLXXXII marks in the annual examination. What is the Hindu Arabic number for this Roman number? Now let us write the Roman number here. C D L X X X I I. Here C means 100, we already know. D means 500, L means 50, X means 10, I means 1. So here the sequence is like this: C 100, D 500, L 50 and XX is 10, 10, 10 and I is 1, 1. I means 1 and another I means 1, so 2. But here see, 100 is smaller than 500. So here we have to do subtraction because here smaller number is coming before the bigger number. So here we will do subtraction. 500 minus 100 is 400. Now let's, the other numbers are following the sequence because 50 is greater than 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10 is greater than 1, 1. So 400 plus 50. 10 3s are 30 because we have 10, 3 10. So 3 10s are 30 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is 400 and 50 plus 30 is 80. 482. So our number is 482. So Sumit scored 482. So C is our answer. Now let's go to question number 23. Here the question is given as Soham has 5 balls having digits 4, 2, 3, 1 and 7. The smallest 5-digit number, odd number, that Soham can form using these digits each only once. How it can be formed? Now we need the smallest digit, the smallest number, smallest 5-digit odd number. The smallest 5-digit odd number means it should start with the smallest number it is being given here. Here on all the 5 digits are 4, 2, 3, 1 and 7. So among them the smallest number is 1. So my number, if I want to have the smallest number, then my digit should start with the smallest number. So here the smallest number is 1. So I am starting with 1. Then the next smallest number is 2. Then the next smallest number is 3. Then the next smallest number is 4. Then the next smallest number is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. And one more information they gave is that is being given here is smallest 5-digit odd number. So the last digit of this number should be odd. Then only it will be an odd number. Otherwise, so it will be an even number. So here the last digit is 7. So it is fulfilling all the criteria. Here this is the smallest 5-digit number and the last digit is also odd. So it's an odd smallest digit number. The numbers which is being given here in our question. So the answer is answer number D. Now let's go to question number 24. Here Shikha makes a profit of rupees 85 crore, 3,55,039. Her profit can be written in Indian system. So, according to Indian system, we have unit, tens, 100, then 1000. Let me show you the copy. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, ten lakh, and then we have crore, 10 crore, and we need 10 crore only. We need this much only here in this question. Let's go for it. Here they said what? 85 crores. So here 85 crores. Then they said 3 lakh. So 03. It's not 30 lakh. It is 3 lakh. So this 10 lakh space will remain empty. It's 3 lakh. Then we have 5,000. 55,000. So I have here, I'm writing here 55. 5 for 10 and 5, this only 1,000, 5,000. And then we have 39. So 039. So my answer is 85 crore 3 lakh 55,039. So my answer is B. Now let's go to question number 25. Here the question is given as, on some day factory A produces 4,12,250 tea bags. Factory B produces 3,34,278 tea bags. Factory C produces 4,24,358 tea bags, and factory D produces 3,45,896 tea bags. Which factory produces the greatest number of tea bags on that day? So here let us find out that. So as it is given as factory A is given as 41,250. Factory B 3,34,278. Factory C as 4,2,4,3,58. And factory D 3,4,5,896. So let's analyze the question. Here the first digit is 4 and next is 3, then 4, then 3. Then obviously the one which is having 4 is greater than the number which is starting with 3, because all of them are having the same number of digits. So it is 4. Then after 4 we have, in case of factory C, we have 2. After 4 the next number is 2. So it is 42. So that makes factory C greatest number, having the greatest number among all the other factories. So factory C produces the greatest number of tea bags. Then let's go to question number 26. That makes C as the correct answer. Question number 26. 3 students, Badal, Vishal and Harsh, thinks 3 different numbers and makes the following statements. My number is the successor of Harsh's number. And what Vishal said? He said, my number is the predecessor of Harsh's number. And what Harsh is saying? Harsh is saying, my number is MMCDLVII. What numbers are taught by Vishal and Badal respectively? So let's find out. First, what Harsh told? Harsh's number is MMCDLVII. So M means 1000. C means 100. D means 500. L means 50. V means 5. I means 1. So M, here we have M, C, D, L, V, I. M means 1000. Here again M means 1000. And here we have C means 100. And then D means 500. L means 50. V means 5, I means 1, I means 1. So this is fine, this is fine. But here there is a problem. Here C is coming before D. D is 500 whereas C is 100. So we have to do here a subtraction because smaller number is coming before the bigger number. So 1000 plus 1000 is 2000, fine. But here we have to do a subtraction. 500 minus 100. So it gives us 400. And then 50 plus 5 is 55. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2457 is Harsh's number. Now what Badal said is, he said my number is the successor of Harsh's number. That means successor means greater than by 1. So 2457 plus 1 gives us 2458. And what Vishal said, my number is the predecessor of Harsh's number. Means I have to subtract 1, which gives me 2456. So Badal's number is 2456 and Vishal's number is 2458. But the sequence of my answer is Vishal and first Vishal then Badal. So first, if it is first Vishal and then Badal, so Badal is successor, it is 2458. And Vishal is the predecessor, it is 2457. 2456. So 2456 will come first and 2458, which makes A as the answer. Now let's go to question number 27. Which of the following statements is incorrect? The place value of the digit 3 in the number 5,43,765. So it is given here as 5. Let me write the question. 5, 4, 3, 7, 6, 5. Here this is unit, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, and this is lakh. So that makes our digit 3's place value as 3000. So it is 3000. Statement 1 is correct. A is correct. Then let's go to statement B. Here the place value of the digit 6 in the number 673 37,34,581 is the predecessor of 59,99,999. So let us find out that. So what is the place value of 6? Let us find out. 6, 7, then we have 3, 4, 5, 8, 1. So 1 is the unit place, then 8 is the tens, 5 is hundreds, 4 is thousand, 3 is 10,000, 7 is lakh, 6 is 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Okay. Then we have to find the place value of 6. So 6 place value is 6 and other rest of the numbers are 0, 0, 0, lakh is 0, 1000 is 0, 10,000 is 0, then 1000 is 0, 100 0, 10 0, unit 0. So this gives us 60 lakhs. Is the predecessor. Predecessor means we have to subtract 1 from 5999999. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 nines, and then we are subtracting 1 because they said the place value of 6 digits is the predecessor number of 67 lakhs 34,581 is the predecessor of this number. So if I subtract 1, it gives us 8, 9, 9, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 and 4. Is this matching with this number? No, it's not matching. So this option B is incorrect. Now let us analyze the option C as well. In the number 18,76,523, the place value of the digit 1 is 10 lakh. Is it correct? Let's find out. So let us first write the number 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 3. Here it is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and this is 10 lakh. And they are talking about the place value of the digit 1. So digit 1 is 1, okay, and rest of the places will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, which gives us 10 lakh, which is absolutely correct. So this option C is correct. Now let's analyze option D as well. Here in option D, they said the place value of the digit 5 in the number 76 lakh 58,321 is successor of 4 lakh 49 is a successor of 49,999. So let's find out. Let's analyze whether this is correct or not. First, let's write the number. So the number is 7, 6, 5, 8, 3, 2, 1. Now let's write the places. Here 1 is unit, 2 is tens, 3 is 100, 8 is 1000, 5 is 10,000, 6 is lakh, and 7 is 10 lakh. So here they are talking about the place value of the digit 5. So 5. Here I am writing the 5 place value of 5, and rest of the number will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what they are telling about place value of digit 5? The number is successor of this number. So successor means plus 1. So let us add plus 1 with this number according to their instruction. It is 4, 9, 9, 9. 4 9s are there, and then I am adding 1 plus to check. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, carry 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, and then this is 5. So that gives me 50,000. Yes, it is absolutely correct because it's matching with my place value. Both of them are same. So only incorrect option here is B. Now let's go to question number 28. Kanchan is thinking of a 5-digit number. The units place digit is an odd prime number. Okay. The tens place digit is the predecessor of the thousands place digit. The hundreds place digit is the smallest odd number. The 10,000s place digit is an even prime number. There are only 2 even digits in the number. What could be the number Kanchan is thinking of? So let's start with option A. Option A is given as 23180. So here, what is the problem with this number? The units place digit is an odd number. Here we have the units place. Is it an odd digit number? Odd prime number? No. 0 is an even number. So that option becomes incorrect. Then let's go to option number B. Here option number B, let us first write the number and then analyze. 231. Option number B is given as 23183. Here the units place digit is an odd number. Okay, correct. The tens place digit is the predecessor of the thousands place digit. The tens place digit is the predecessor, means 3 minus 1 is 2. Is it like that? 8 is the predecessor of the thousands place. 3? No, it is not like that. 3's predecessor is 2. So is it 2? No, it is not 2 here. So it is wrong. Now let's analyze option C. Option C is 29182. Here the first statement is given as the units place digit is an odd prime number. The units place digit, this is the unit place. Is it an odd prime number? No, it is an even prime number. And 2 is the only even prime number we are having. So this option is wrong. Now let's go to option D. Option D is given as 29185. Now let's start with the first statement. We cannot bypass a single statement in maths. We have to give stress to each and every statement given in the question. Then only we can solve the problem. So thinking of a 5-digit number, is it a 5-digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's a 5-digit number. Now the next information is the units place digit is an odd prime number. The units place digit, this is the unit place. Is it an odd prime number? Yes, it is an odd prime number. Now let's go to the second statement. The tens place digit is the predecessor of the thousands place digit. The tens place digit is the predecessor of the thousands place digit. So thousands place is 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Yes, the tens place digit is the predecessor of the thousands place digit. Now let's go to the third statement. The hundreds place digit is the smallest odd number. The hundreds place digit is the smallest odd number, which is correct. Yes, it is 1, and 1 is the smallest odd number. Then we have the fourth statement. The 10,000s place digit is an even prime number. This is the 10,000 place. The 10,000s place is an even prime number. Now the next statement is given as there are only 2 even digits in the number. There are only 2 even digits in the number. Yes, absolutely correct. There are only 2 even digits in the number. Others are odd. 915 are odd. This makes our option number D as the correct option. Now let's go to question number 29. Here we have to find the correct option. Now let's analyze one by one. We will analyze both the things, even if the options are wrong. Why it is wrong, that also we are going to find out. Here in A option, the number is given as 3, 2, 4, 9, and they are saying this number in Roman form can be represented as M, C, X, L, I, X. So here we all know कि M means 1000, C means 100, X means 10, L means 50, I means 1, and X means 10. So let's find out. Here I am writing as M, C, X, L, I, X. So M means 1000, fine. C means 100, and X means 10, L means 50, I means 1, and 10 means, and X means 10. So this thing is fine. It is 1000, okay, fine. 100, fine. But here you can see 10 is smaller than L, as X is 10 and L is 50. So the 10 is coming before 50. In that case, we have to do a subtraction. Again here, 1 is less than 10. So again, we have to do here a subtraction. So 3 M's means 3000. Okay. Plus 2C means 200. And if I do a subtraction here, it gives us 50 minus 10, 40. And then we will again do a subtraction here. 10 minus 1, 9. Which gives us 3, 2, 4, 9. Which is matching. This is the correct option. But still, we are going to analyze the wrong options as well. Now let's write the number first. This is 1667, and they are saying this number is represented in Roman as MDC LXVIII. So let me write the number, taking some space. M D C L X V I. So M means 1000, D means 500, C means 100, L means 50, X means 10, V means 5, I means 1. So is it following the sequence? Yes, 1000 is greater than 500, is greater than 100, 100 is greater than 50, 50 is greater than 10, 10 is greater than 5, and 5 is greater than 1, and others are 1. So here everything we have to do is, we have to add. We have to add all the numbers, because smaller, nowhere here we are facing a situation where the smaller number is coming before the greater number. So we can add here. So 1000 plus 500 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10, 5, 3 ones means 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Then we have 6. Then we have 6 and then we have 1. It gives us 1668, which is not matching with our option. Here we have 1667. Now let's go to the option number C. Here they have given 207 is represented as C C X V I I. So here C is written as 100. C is written as 100. X as 10. V as 5. I means 1. I means 1. So it is following. It is the sequence is in increasing order. 100, 100, 10, 5, 1, 1. So we don't have to do any kind of subtraction. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 10 plus 5 is 15 and 1 plus 1 is 2, which gives us 217. But in our option C, it is 207. That's why it is wrong. Now let's go to option number D. 499 is represented as C, D, L, X, 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 I, X. So let us analyze the question. It is C, D, L, X, 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 I, X. So C means 100, D means 500, L means 50, X means 10, 10, 10, and I means 1 and X means 10. Here C is 100 and 100 is smaller than 500. So here we have to do subtraction. Others are increasing, 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 and then here again 1 is smaller than 10. Again here we have to do subtraction. So 500 minus 100 is 400 plus 50, 60, 70, 80. This is 80. Plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 489. But here it is given as 499. So this option is wrong. Now let's go to question number 30. Question number 30 is given as 36 lakh 5,408, which is matching with 36 lakh, which is option number 4. That is this one, 4, option number 4, 34, P4. Then we have Q, 5,485,000 and 962. That is 5,485,962. Okay, this is Q is 1. Now let's R. R is 3,675,408, which is R2. And then the last one, 54 lakh 85,428. It is 54 lakh 85,428, which matches the option with 3. S is matching with 3. So our option number B is the correct one. So we have completed this first chapter, and tomorrow we are going to start with computation operations. Hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was really helpful to you, I will be happy if you all will subscribe my channel, and I will keep on uploading more and more videos for all of you. Thank you so much.